Hi, I'm Jem, welcome to class. So today we are going to do a 10-minute yin practice. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting up every day for the next, forever I suppose, until I can't post anymore. So here we go. So we're going to start off with yin and we are going to move through a 10-minute practice today. And today we're going to be focusing on the shoulders. All right, so you're going to start off. What you're going to need is a couple of blocks and a bolster. If you don't have either of those things, then just grab a couple of pillows and some books that you can stack up. All right, we're going to start off with the bolster. So first of all, you're just going to come and sit at the back of the mat in towards a wide leg child's pose so you can get the upper body down and forward. All right. We're going to start to walk the arms onto the bolster. So we've got the forearms on the bolster, and then you roll the bolster further forward until the heart starts to melt down towards the floor or the mat. Drop the forehead down. And just close your eyes. We're going to be here for a couple of minutes, so just settle yourself in. And let your hands relax, okay? Let your shoulders relax, let your chest start to melt. And come into your breath. So if you find this quite challenging for your shoulders, and just let the breath leave through the mouth. Okay, so inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Okay, inhale again through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth until you really start to feel yourself settle down and the breath just wants to become really nice and quiet. You can feel the body settle. Okay, from here, just again, press and dig the forearms in, start to lift the chest up. You're going to start to come forward. You can use the bolster to help you roll forward and then take the bolster away. Okay, slide yourself back on the mat if you need to. Bring that left arm out to the left, cactus the elbow, okay? Elbow is in line with the shoulder. And then just allow yourself to roll onto that left shoulder. Okay, and when you do this, you might find that you want to maybe even reach that right leg back. If that doesn't feel good, then just keep the knees together and tuck the chin in so you're nice and long through the back of the neck. And again, just breathe. Nice and steady, nice and slow. Letting the body drop and relax. Okay, roll back onto the front of the belly. Okay, and do the same on the other side. So right arm out to the side, elbow in line with the shoulder, tuck the chin in and gently roll towards that right shoulder. And again, just really nice and steady. Close your eyes. You can use that left hand as support. You could even reach that left leg back, or just again keep the knees close to the chest. Do what works for you. And again, just start to roll back onto your belly. Okay, and then from here, what you're going to do is just press yourself back onto all fours. You're going to take your bolster, okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to thread that left arm. We're going to start with the left arm, and we're going to place the left arm on the bolster, okay? So you're just going to lay that left arm on the bolster. You can use the right arm just as a bit of support, and then just let your head fall. So this is really quite good if you notice that when you are doing this prone, so lying on your belly, there's just no space, either because of the chest. So just giving yourself a bit of space with the bolster for the chest. Okay, press yourself back up. Release that left arm off, and we're going to go the same on the right side. So right arm, again, is just going to come across the bolster, drop the chest down. And you can use a pillow, so just remember that. You can use the pillow or stack a couple of pillows up just to give yourself a little bit of space. And again, just inhale yourself up and then just release the shoulders off. Let the shoulders roll back. Okay, so from here, we're just going to come down, sit down on the bum. You're going to place the bolster or your pillows lengthways just behind you. If you need to, what you can also do is just offer yourself a bit of support with maybe a block or some books stacked underneath just to help heighten and lift that bolster. All right. Now we want a little bit of space between the lower back and the bolster. So create a little bit of space and then slowly allow yourself just to lie back. Turn the palms so the palms face out and up and the shoulders are nice and open. Close your eyes. And again, just breathe. Nice and steady. Okay, from there, just allow the arms to come down, take the legs together, press into the feet, lengthen the lower back, and then just gently start to roll over to either the left or the right side. I'm going to roll towards you. And just let the lower back be really nice and rounded. Close your eyes for a moment. Big breath in. Nice long exhale. And then slowly just come up to your seat. Okay. So that was just a little bit of yin for the shoulders. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe and comment below. Enjoy the rest of your day, yogis, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.